So this is a quick update on the mirrors that are installed on my truck. Overall, the outside finish on the mirror itself looks really good. The one concern is that this guy here, starting to fade already. I have not actually put any type of light protectant or anything on it, because typically you don't have to do that with the OEM stuff. And you'll notice that down here, you see there's a dark line and a light line. That's basically, I think, the grease. You can see how it's fairly dirty. So we've got stuff attaching to where the grease is at. Same thing back on this side. It's a little bit harder to tell, but you can see the line right in here between greased and not greased. Like I said, the rest of the mirror actually does really well. The passenger side ones are heated too. That works really well, which the original ones didn't have heating. The other thing that I've noticed is I live in Michigan. So, of course, I'm going to try to zoom in on here. And you can see the bolts, or the screws that they're using are actually rusting. So I do have a little bit of rust showing up down here along the bottom of the mirror where the oxidation and stuff is coming down. So the one that's up top here, the screw that's up top here, actually looks decent. You can still see there's a little bit of rust. So definitely not using stainless steel, or not using zinc coating, or not enough zinc coating for winter snow and ice that we have up here in Michigan. So that's the update on the mirrors. In general, they're really nice because they can slide out. They're manual slides, and I do use them in the out position when we're out camping and traveling around. Then when you get places, you can slide them back in, just push them back in. Of course, work really well in the summer. Wintertime, they tend to get stiff too, but yeah, my only real concern is the material there. I am going to buy some of that protectant / colorant to put on there so that it will hopefully look good. And here's the passenger side mirrors. You can see basically the exact same thing here. There's a line here which is basically the grease coming off the pivot point. This one does show a little bit of sun fading here. They have not been cleaned in a little while, but still. And this one, I believe, we're not actually able to see. Yeah, the bolts are doing the screws are doing the exact same thing. Rusting. Both of them are rusting, so. Thank you for watching this review of the Boost Auto extension mirrors for the Chevy Colorado. I will be doing more videos wrapping up the last 44 months and issues that I have had with the truck over the next probably few weeks. So please remember to subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like any questions answered, please feel free to send me a message. Thank you so much.